Alright, we are all fucked.
We should all call our hit and walk out.
No, fuck that.
No, the bag's empty. Anyone seen a fucking dead rag lying around?
Negative. Alright, Connor, hold up. Yeah, so there's a guy up close. Connor, are you out of ammo or? No.
You don't have one mag.
I'm just about to jam, I think.
You don't have one mag. I won't be able to shoot.
Hang on. Hit! Hit! Yeah, Andrew, you remember that grenade thing you were talking about earlier?
It completely worked.
Well, I was already dead anyway.
I saw the grenade just come into the room.
You didn't say anything?
This entire building is done.
Oh, Jesus Christ, that's one of the dummy rounds. He's gonna be looking for that, by the way. Move! Hide behind me! Are you okay?
Yes.
Everybody good?
Right here, a bit banged up, but the kid is safe.
You get that on camera?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm out. Have fun, guys. Thanks for the jet, though.
We're completely dead right now. We fuck you bang.
Yo, one of you guys threw an orange grenade and some kid threw it right there. So if you're looking for that, it's right there.
Tonto, we're in the building here.
Alright, just go back to respawn over there. Technically phosphorus, but... Yeah.
Oh man, that was so cool. That was fun. Just seen an orange soldier coming out of the building. The guy that kept on shooting out the glass, and we had something. That was loud. He only had a submachine gun. Thunder being in the there was, oh, well, the first one failed. When did you come out of that grenade?
That was badass.
Yeah. I saw a grenade, it was literally at this kid's feet. I'm like, oh fuck! So I literally said move, grabbed him and took him behind me. I'm like, get behind me!
Didn't help out though, everybody.
Right here a bit banged, but the kid is safe.
Yeah, they tossed the second one in there.
Everyone was already dead.
Shit, now what's the plan once we get back?
I don't know, because this is our respawn.
Yeah.
Is that your melee weapon? No, there wasn't any bullets in there. I'm lucky I wasn't in there.
Yeah.
You saved him.
Yeah.
You gotta put that on YouTube and say.
Oh, wait, hang on. Is it recording?
I got that thing through the first one.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, yeah, I was recording.
Save little kid from bomb.
Save little kid from bomb, sure. I'll put that up.